Babes,
Okay.
this is festive season. And I know the Yankee guys are going to come around. What am I even saying? I'm pretty sure they're in town already.
Yankee guys are in town. But baby, you're taking now. So he's talking. That's one that's taking you.
Last I checked, I am not yet married to any guy. Am I?
Brenda. What is going on? Wait, I hope you do not have any plan of dumping Desmond. That guy has done a lot for you, you know.
What did he do for me? What?
Desmond saw you through the university. He practically did everything for you. Your feeding, your clothing, your...
Enough! So because he helped me during my school days, I should not desire to marry a Yankee guy. A Yankee sweet, handsome man.
In case you forgot, let me tell you. The reason why you did all of that was because you both are engaged. Ready to marry. No, don't dump this guy. Don't dump him.
Juliet, you're beginning to sound like a preacher to me. Anyway, everyone is entitled to their own opinion. As for me, Brenda, I know what I want. And when I see him, I'll know. But you see Desmond, he's certainly not the one for me. Forget that.
Brenda, I am talking to you as a friend. Do not do this. Doesn't make any sense. Don't leave this guy heartbroken. Please. But are you being real right now?
Julie, take a proper look at me.
Of course I am looking at you, girl.
Take a look at me.
I can see you.
I am a very beautiful lady.
No doubt.
With all the curves in the right places. Come on, girl. You don't expect me to give all of this to a guy that resides...
Brenda, please stop talking. Stop. I'm sure you still have conscience, so think.
My darling, my destiny is not here. My destiny is abroad. I am going to marry a man that lives overseas. You get it? You get it.
Is this Brenda? Brenda, please, do not...
Babe, you know that Yankee guys are in town this festive season.
I know.
My eye, they chuko.
Brenda, Desmond is there. Don't forget.
Okay. What's that? What's that now?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Brenda.
Brenda.
These keke guys, what are you thinking?
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Murphy.
My name is Brenda.
Oh, nice name. What about you?
I'm Juliet.
Oh, nice name. Can I call you Julie?
It's okay, sir.
Oh, you're beautiful, you know? You see, I'm not really into light-skinned women, but I like your curves. You look really cool. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Where you guys headed?
We're going to the salon to get our hair done.
Oh, great. Can I drop you guys off?
Sure, why not?
All right, hop in. Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So how's your babe now?
She's good. My angel. She's good. As beautiful as always.
So how are you guys planning for this year to two?
My plan now is to go see her parents for the marital rites. As soon as possible, anyway.
See my guy. I like the way you're sounding right now.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, man.
Whoa.
Yeah.
She must be very elated
No,
that you guys are about cementing what you guys started years ago.
the truth is that I've not told her anything. I have this plan that I'll go for the triad first. Then maybe by Easter, we'll have our wedding. But I'll definitely tell her any time. It's going to be a surprise.
Yeah, sure. You know, women, they like this 8-letter word, marriage.
Exactly.
They love it like mad.
Exactly. Love is a beautiful thing. See, love is a beautiful, with the right person anyway.
Yeah, sure. As sweet as what sounds is what experience with the right woman,
Exactly. I can't wait to make her my permanent wife. She's a beautiful thing in my life.
This is nice. Well, I wish you guys the very best.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, man.
You're doing well.
Yeah, and thank you for your
I
encouragement.
always wish you guys to end up, together.
Yeah,
This is my wish.
thank you.
I'm so
Thank
happy
you.
for you.
Thank you for your support.
You're doing well, bro. You're doing well.
Thank you.
So, Juliet, what do you do for a living?
Well, I just graduated from the university.
Oh, great. What did you study?
I studied civil law.
Oh, law. That's great. So you're going to be a lawyer, huh?
Yes, by the special grace of God.
Oh, nice. I just finished my master's in Canada. I got back last week.
I knew it!
Sorry, you knew what?
I mean, it's all over your appearance.
Well, congratulations, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Juliet, can I get your number so I can call you sometime?
It's okay, it's fine.
I want to call you. I hope you don't mind.
Here.
Thank you. So I turn left, huh?
Oh yes, left.
Alright, just tell me when to stop.
Okay, I will.
Honestly, I will not trade Brenda with anything in the world. I can't watch her get married to any man at all. Life would be meaningless without her, honestly.
Yeah, sure. Not after spending several years together. The only thing that comes to mind is marriage. You can't even decide otherwise. Not after spending a fortune to make her a better woman.
Brenda is someone I met when she was just a male girl. I watched her grow into this beautiful, sexy woman. No, I will not allow anybody in this life to take her away from me. No, never.
Brenda loves you so much. And she can't jilt you right now. Not after everything both of you share.
You're right, but the truth is, this is Christmas. Christmas is approaching. And you see all these guys from Yankee come out to throw dollar, pounds all around her. Well, I pray they don't lure her into marriage, that's just it. As a man, I have to think far.
What are you even talking about? That means she doesn't love you that much.
Why do you think so?
If she can be cajoled with money, that means she doesn't want your love.
I don't think so. But the truth is that she is mine and nobody in this life. Nobody in this life will take her away from me. Mommy.
I brought this for you. Let me get the table.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. How is Brenda?
Brenda is fine. She's fine. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Mom, they are getting married very soon.
Wow. That's so nice.
Thank you, ma.
In fact, I wish you all the best. Congratulations in advance. Oh, pardon my manners. Let me get the table.
It's okay. Yeah. Let me drop it on the floor first. Yeah.
How about this guy? Have you seen him since then?
No. But I'll try. I will go and see him maybe after you must have gone.
Hi, Mr. Murphy, sir. Okay. Not yet, but will soon be done. Really? So are you home now? Why? What exactly are you thinking about, sir? Sorry, Murphy. What? Just like that? No, not really. I don't even know you that well, and I'm even surprised you're asking me to. You don't expect me to believe that, do you? Okay.
Why the mood swing? Why's your face like that?
Brenda, I'm in a state of confusion right now.
Why?
The guy we caged the lift in his car just asked me to marry him.
Oh my goodness. For real? A guy just met a few minutes ago is asking you to marry him.
It's crazy, right?
Please don't mind him, oh. He's not used to get married. You just meet somebody asking to marry you. I'm sure he's just being sarcastic.
In as much as I know that this guy is cute and well educated, I also know marriage is not a thing that you can just jump into, and it's something you have to be careful about.
I'm happy you know about it. I mean, that means you're even considering it for you to be sounding this way. My sister, marriage is not something you just dabble into because some guy is rich and based abroad, Yankee guy. No, that's not what marriage is all about. Focus. What?
Brenda.
Hmm?
No be you dey talk say you want Yankee guy. Wetin dey worry you? I don't understand. Where you stand?
I know why I'm saying what I'm saying. No.
Yeah, I know, but now the same thing where you want now. As you don't show for me, why you can't discourage me? No. Anyways, I will think about it.
Okay, just think well. They are calling us. Do you want the other girl to take over? Let's go and do our hair and get going.
Juliet is not so beautiful, but she looks humble. Sounds intelligent too. She seems like a good girl. And I think I want to make her my wife. I'll do everything to make her my wife.
All I'm saying is that you should decline this guy. Yes! You don't even know him that much, do you?
Brenda, you told me you wanted a Yankee guy as a husband, right? And now a Yankee guy is asking for my hand in marriage. You're not comfortable with that. What's going on?
Girl, I have a feeling that this guy wants to do something with you.
Really?
And he wants to use his marriage as a disguise to get to you.
Okay. It's fine, girlfriend. We shall see about that.
Good. That's why I like you. You have sense. These guys.
Okay. I'm fine. How are you?
We're good.
Okay, alright. I've heard you. It's fine, everything is good. Hi,
Good, how are you? Babes, how far now? You don't look good. Are you okay?
I'm good.
How come you were busy in my call while I was trying to call you?
I was in a very noisy environment.
No, it's alright. That's alright. Oh, your hair is fine. That's lovely, babes.
Thank you.
It's nice. Babes, guess what?
You know I cannot guess. Just talk. What is it?
Okay. You remember the company I submitted my proposal to? That's Marcoms Limited. Babe, you know what? I won it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. You know why I'm happy?
Why?
After doing the contract, I'm going to have a lot of money. That means by December we'll be getting married.
Yes! My girl is getting married! Girl, this is so exciting. This is an exciting news.
Yeah.
First, you are now a graduate. And secondly, you will be getting married this December. Girl, this is exciting. What is wrong with you?
Ugo. I'm coming. Ugo.
What is wrong with you?
What is it now?
What? Babes, what is wrong with you? Why are you suddenly growing cold towards your man? Don't you have any explanation to make?
I owe no one any explanation. Listen, it is my life. And I know what's best for me.
What stupid life are you talking about, Brenda? Brenda, this is Desmond we're talking about. What has he done so differently to deserve this kind of embarrassment from you?
Well, let's just say I lost interest.
You lost what stupid interest? Brenda!
I don't want to do again now. I don't want to.
Brenda, you know want do waiting exactly.
Like, I've lost interest.
You've completely lost it, Brenda. What are you talking about? That guy went out of his way to submit that proposal to Macons Limited. Linda, you told me about it. We both prayed about it and asked God that this comes true for him. And now God did it. You are not even excited for your own man. What's come over you?
Okay, you know what? Let me spell it out for you. This whole marriage thing is not going to work. I want out.
Brenda!
Babes, is he still going to come? I mean, you can never take this guy seriously.
He gave me his words, so he's definitely going to come.
But you've been waiting for over an hour now. Or are you going to wait indefinitely?
Brenda, it's obvious something is keeping him. Besides, I'm already waiting for him.
You're right. But it's just that we both know what these guys of nowadays are capable of doing. Who knows if he's with one girl, smooshing and making out with her and keeping you here waiting. You know, you can never trust these guys.
Let me be the one to bother myself with that.
Yeah. So where is he taking you to? His house or a 5-star restaurant or hotel?
None of that. He said he wants me to come know his place.
Wow! Yes, babe. Let me come with you now.
No, Brenda, it's a date for two. You can come with me.
But girl, see, you never can tell. Maybe one or two of these guys that came back from overseas with him might be around and might find me attractive.
You want a Yankee man. What then happens to Desmond? What about him?
Must you bring him into a conversation?
Yes, because it's important.
Did you ask her what the problem is? She was practically cold towards me, as if she didn't even see me.
No. This is not normal. The Brenda I know will jump into your arms the moment she sees you. Do you know sometimes I'm even jealous of you guys the way you love each other?
I think there is something wrong. Something is definitely wrong.
Yes, something is definitely wrong. For you to tell her that you're getting married to her this festive period and she didn't show any form of excitement, that shows that something is definitely wrong with her.
And she refused to mention what the problem is. Honestly, I'm confused. I am.
I think I'm going to give her a call to know what the problem is. Yes.
I can't afford to lose that girl, honestly. I can't afford to lose her.
This is not right. This is not right at all. You know, I always wish that you guys end up as husband and wife.
I pray nothing happens, honestly. I just pray.
Don't worry, bro. I'll talk to her. Okay?
It's all right.
I'll talk to
Thanks, man.
her. Just take it easy.
It's all right.
I told you I don't want him anymore. I had no water in my mouth when I said that to you.
Brenda, you're always all over this guy before. What happened? What changed?
My love for him died. Like dead and buried. What part of English do you not understand? Huh? Juliet,
Girlfriend.
tell me, what has Desmond done that no man has ever done for anybody before? What's all this about? Desmond? What has he really done?
You know exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm sure you know what you're doing.
Of course. I like the sound of that. I know what I am doing.
Okay.
So, girl, does that mean that I can come? Let me get dressed.
Which kind of wahala be this one? Don't tell me you're serious.
Of course I am dead serious. Forget Desmond. Girl, I am done. Like, your babes is done. Done for good.
Don't leave this guy heartbroken. Don't leave him messed up. This guy loves you, you know.
My sister, breakfast is for everybody. Now when you reach your turn, you chop drink water, clean mouth. Let me get dressed.
Brenda,
Yeah, girl.
why are you going dressed like this?
How? There's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing.
Everything is wrong with what you are wearing. Girl, your boobs is almost out.
It's just that Murphy's friends might be there. So I'm trying to dress to kill to attract the kind of man I want.
Oh, really? You're going to Murphy's house to sell a market, huh? Brenda, please, I don't like this. I don't like this. What is your plan?
I like what I'm wearing.
I don't like it. And I'm sure Murphy won't buy this. This is so revealing now. Yo, come on. This is my date, not yours. Hope you know that.
I still grab one or two. Hope you know that.
Yo, please now. Not do me like this. I don't want this guy to see me like one of those cheap girls or he lose one.
You don't call.
I don't know. I'm good. How are you? Of course, I'm all dressed. Really? I will be out soon.
Is he?
Yes. None, I have to wait for you.
Sorry.
What was that for?
Juliet, don't just start.
The question is, why did you do that?
Babe, it's simple. I do not want this engagement ring to be bad market for me. You know the vibe now.
Oh, so you now have a product that you want to go to Murphy's house to sell? Brenda, please, I beg you in the name of God. I do not want this guy to see me like a cheap girl or one of those loose girls.
Babe, he's waiting. Let's just go have fun. Let's go.
Girlfriend, I hope you do not have any plan of snatching Murphy away from me.
My goodness. How can you say such a thing to me?
Because I don't understand this whole drama you are performing. I don't.
And I know you do not want me to follow, but I must. Let's go.
I don't trust you, and I have my eyes on you.
No problem.
Not you. Okay. See, I want to hold you tight so we can walk it.
So now you're treating me like a queen.
Yes, of course.
Oh my goodness! Your house is so beautiful!
You like it?
I love it!
Oh,
You
great.
sure have a great taste.
Oh,
Yes.
Thank you very much. Let's go, please. Come.
Wow! He's showering her with lots of love already.
Yeah, come in. Are you surprised?
Obviously, I am. I mean, your place is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you very much. Please make yourself comfortable. I'll get you something to drink. What would you want? Sorry.
Anything soft.
Anything soft. I'll get you something soft. Make yourself comfortable, right?
Julie, are you not so lucky to have attracted such a man?
Did you say lucky? Girl, the universe has blessed me. Hey! God, this is something I never prayed for.
Babe, where are his friends now? One or two guys around. Let me see if I can
Friends,
get one person.
are you blind? Can't you see he doesn't have any? There's no one in this house.
Yeah. Sorry, this is all I could find. This is all I could find.
It's fine, thank you so much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Sure.
I'll be with you shortly.
Julie, let's go ahead.
Sorry, kept you waiting.
No, it's okay.
Are you enjoying your drink?
Sure.
I was asking her. Can you just move up a bit?
Oh.
I'd like to sit in between. Sorry. You okay? How are you?
Good.
Your skin is so flawless.
Thank you.
I love you. Don't you love me? Won't you say you love me? Won't you say you love me too? Let's go to the bedroom.
Why?
I'd like to show you something really, really important. Come here, let's go.
Okay.
Am I the only one that will finish all this? I mean,
Yeah, sure. You can help yourself, make yourself comfortable.
Enjoy yourself, girlfriend.
Yeah, I'll be right
well
back.
said, girl.
I've been gone for some minutes now. What could he be telling her? He's making love to her, probably. Man. He just invited her home to enjoy the woman in her.
You sure have a great taste, Murphy. I know, but she was hell-bent on coming with me. Even when I asked her to stay back, that the date is just for two, she just wouldn't listen. I did, trust me, I did, but she insisted on coming with me. I understand what you're getting at, but Brenda will not do what your mind is telling you. She only told me she wants to follow me so that, maybe one of your friends might see her and like her. Really? Wow. You've already told them about me? Is she beautiful? Oh, Murphy, stop. I can't do this. I just can't. Murphy, you really have to stop this right now. Stop.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
You call me when you get home. I don't feel like letting you go,
But I have to go.
You call me when you get home?
Sure, I will.
I love you.
I love you more.
Another hug. Yeah, so, you call me when you get home, right?
I will call you.
Another hug.
Now I have to go.
Yeah. Alright, take care.
You too.
Alright.
Thank you.
Call me when you get home.
I sure will.
Alright.
Babes, let's go. Sure.
Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. Chai, Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes.
Yes, now.
What happened?
Is your guy in?
Yes, in the inside.
Okay. You saw us leave not quite long.
And that's a surprise.
Yes. I forgot my phone when I came with my friend.
Yeah. Oh, which one? iPhone?
Yes.
May I help you?
Don't worry. I'm not even sure where I kept it, but let me just, yes.
Oh yeah, now go find and go. I'll go
Thank
collect your
you.
phone.
Yes.
No problem. Hey, yeah. Sorry. Child. I'm just forgetful.
Hold on. Hold on. You came back.
Oh, yes. I had to.
Why? Everything okay?
There will be a very big problem if I don't stop this.
Stop what?
Murphy, I want you to know that I got your back.
You got my back how?
Same way I will not allow my brother to make a mistake that will mar his life. The same way I will know what you do it. Juliet is a facade. She's not who you think she is.
What about her?
First and foremost, Juliet is engaged to a man who saw her through her university education. Secondly, they plan on getting married this festive season. That's not all. To crown it all, she is 1 month pregnant for her husband to be.
Juliet.
She's 1 month pregnant. If you doubt me, confront her and watch her bury her face in shame.
But Juliet can't do this to me.
She told me in confidence that she wants to marry a Yankee husband. So for that reason, she has decided to dump the poor guy and marry you with the pregnancy. Because you told us you came back from Canada.
So she wants to dump her husband to be because of me.
You don't know Juliet. You don't know her. She is so desperate. Look, when you told us, or rather her, you called her that you were in front of the gate, she quickly removed her engagement ring and put it in her handbag. I said to myself, no, I cannot watch this innocent young man go through what he wants to get himself into with a fake girl.
The one who's close to you may be the one to betray you. This world now, this world now.
I must thank you for saving me from this emotional blackmail.
You're welcome.
You know, I honestly didn't know you were this nice. I was carried away by her false humility.
I'm a very good girl, Lou. A very, very good girl. She refused to give you this.
But how did you know she declined?
She has a loud mouth. She told me.
The one who's close to you may be the one to betray you. This world now, this world now.
Finish it.
Chai,
Whatever she can offer you, I can offer you 10 times of it.
Mr. Man, shine your eyes.
Just try.
There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived. You have been deceived. Oh, Wugogio, you have been deceived. you jumping.
Which kind thing be this one now? Eh? Person tell me say she can't collect phone. Say she forget the phone. Since when she enter Oga house, she never come out with that phone. Wait oh. Chekwe. Wait. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I see the way she dey give Oga one kind eye. Body dey to read this girl since. Wait. What? How she can't use phone and say she can't collect phone? Since na the phone she dey collect. She dey collect phone. I see. She dey collect phone. I came to collect my phone. Now she can't collect. So it is good. When she come here, I close gate too.
You're so sweet.
Oh,
Did you enjoy it?
of course I did. You're the best thing I've had in such a long time.
I told you. And you've got some really sweet sugar cane in between.
You can say that again.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want more. I want you to remain inside of me.
Huh? You said what?
I said I want more.
You want more?
Mm-hmm.
But we just had sex. We did it 2 times.
Yeah, but I want more. I can't get enough.
After 2 rounds?
I can go on and on and on.
Wait. After 2 rounds?
Babe.
Huh?
I can eat you the whole of the day. I can have you every second. That's how sweet you are.
Wait. You know what? Can I get some rest? We can continue later. Please.
Okay, just take it easy, gradual. Don't use energy.
No, you don't understand. Let me get some. I'm sweating. Eh?
Okay, let me just be on top.
Don't.
Hey, Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived.
Babe, you're awake.
Yes, I'm awake.
Well, you dozed off after 3 good rounds.
Well, I exhausted my energy, so I slept off. Yeah.
I know. I had to let you sleep so you can gather enough energy for the task ahead.
What task, please?
We're going to have it all night long.
Listen, don't you ever get tired?
Oh, come on. How can I get tired when I'm with a cute guy like you?
I'm flattered.
Oh, you know I'm not flattering you. You are super cute.
Thanks for the compliment. Brenda, I'm very hungry. I need to eat something so I can go to bed.
I'm on it already.
Make it fast.
You done the jiffy. Coming for you.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced.
Oh my word.
With your life.
Juliet will be so shocked when she sees this.
You want to take her place.
She can never have you
Put her in shame.
whilst I'm still alive.
For you it's just a race. Hey, you want to win.
Before she knows it, I am Mrs. Muffy. She can have this one for all I care.
Because the truth
I'm going to marry Muffy.
of coming out and last. Hey, what did she do to you?
Okay.
What does that mean?
I'll marry you.
Serious? You marry me?
I've always made up my mind to marry you and give you beautiful children.
Oh, come here.
Brenda. So this is true. Oh, the information I got is right, Brenda.
Desmond, what are you doing here?
You're yelling at me, Brenda.
Why won't I yell at you? Wait, after I caught you in bed, pants down with another girl, you have the audacity to show your face here?
Brenda, after everything I did for you, you are cheating on me with Murphy.
Wait, you know me?
Brenda, you won't get away with this. I promise you.
Cheat! Cheat, go!
Hey, that guy called my name. Does he know me?
He's the Desmond I told you about.
Oh. My brother's friend.
So,